Accessing mental health care without insurance is possible, although it may require some proactive steps. Many options exist to help individuals prioritize their mental well-being, even if they don't have insurance coverage. Community mental health centers, nonprofit organizations, university psychology clinics, online therapy platforms, pro bono services, employee assistance programs, government programs, and sliding-scale private therapists are all viable options. Remember, taking care of your mental health is crucial, and various resources exist to make it accessible. It may require some research and reaching out to different options, but there are affordable avenues to obtain the support you need.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.